So JCB is basically like one of the number one world leading in construction equipment.
My name is Fabio Daron. Thank you, Buildexpo, for allowing us to do this interview. Our company is a Swiss-based company based in Zurich City. It's called Tormax Automatic Door Systems. So far, has been great. We have been receiving a lot of customers from different areas, not only in the construction business, which is also interesting because we see that there is a potential in the Kenyan population. Camera people here are doing a great job, and I thank and I hope to see you soon again. Okay.